Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. I thought it might be interesting to show how to use ChatGPT to make a blog post using a script that I've been discussing. It's a script that's based on using catalogs for different types of images. The images are uh, cinematographic, photographic, designer, and art. So this is a designer type image. These are all from Banff. This one I thought was pretty cool. This is an art one, and using the style of Klimt. And the thing I thought was really cool is I don't know how well this will show up, but there's some deer that are hiding, camouflaged in this portion. And this reminded me of an experience where I was hiking, and there were a couple of deer, and one of the deer disappeared it was like a magic show in front of my eyes. I could just see it merging, with the background of the forest, camouflaging itself in real time, and that's what this reminded me of. That was pretty neat. Okay, then here we have a photographic style, and this was one of my favorite images. Uh, Really, I really like the style. This is a cinematographic type, and here we have a topological map. That's a designer type. This one I thought was quite intriguing. This is an artistic one, and based on the birth of Venus. So it's combining that with Banff, and here we got a view of Banff that looks quite realistic in the sense that um, you could look at the picture and it looks like that's where you are. And I think that's something that Midjourney's gotten a lot better at, like the accuracy of capturing different locations. And I think this is the last one here. This is another cinematographic type image. Okay, so the first part to show would be the running the script. So the script is available here. This is at my blog, and the name of the script is uh, this one here: ChatGPT Instructions for Multiple Catalog. I guess should typo there. Oh, should fix that. For Midjourney 6.0. Okay, you can just copy and paste the script, and then I asked ChatGPT for some locations to choose from, because I like doing groups of prompts based on a location, and it gave me these choices, and so I did 8 for Banff. I'm going to ask for 8 for the French Quarter in New Orleans. Okay, and then it'll go ahead and create the prompts, and so there's 4 different types of prompts that it'll do: cinematographic, photographic, artistic, which is painters, and then designers. And I asked it to jump around from the different catalogs, so I wasn't choosing everything from the same spot because each catalog has 100 different choices, and this is trying to get it uh, to utilize more of the uh, from the list, and not just choose the ones at the beginning, which it would be inclined to do. So here it'll jump around a bit more than otherwise would have, and you can see how quick it is in writing out the prompts. And then once I have the prompts, I can just go to Midjourney, and the way it's set up right now, it's not spitting out the dash dash stuff at the end of the prompt, but I have that set up in my Discord server. So I can just, if you do /I for imagine and enter, that's a quick way to get the prompt, copy the prompt, and I have the suffix set up to where it will put that in. And so I can just copy and paste the prompts the same way, /I enter, Control V, enter. And I'll just do 3 of these. Okay, do one more. And you can see how quick this is to do. All right, and then okay, so how 62%. So this won't take long for it to do. While it's cranking that out, I'll show something else. Okay, so I did an upscale for the ones for Banff. And if I go to the old Midjourney service, so the legacy one, and then it'll show the, your images, your upscales. And this was when Midjourney introduced the new website. So if you just put in midjourney.com, you get to this new website, which certainly has its advantages. So, like, it's a nice presentation. This is what I started with. You can just click on the images. They're, nice and big, and scroll through them to show. But there isn't an easier way to select the images, like once you save them. Whereas in the legacy one, if you want to download a bunch of them, you can just click on the images. You can click on the selector here, this arrow thing, and just click, on the images that you want. So these are the 8 that I uploaded. And then you click on the downloader, download all, and it'll choose the 8 images. It just takes a second or two to download them. Click on the arrow, and then it'll have a folder that has the images in them. And then you can just open up the folder and copy and paste them, and then put them wherever you want. So I already did that. I put them in a folder, and then once you've done that, so let me unselect that. All right. So if I want to create a blog post, then I just open new post, and I will click on upload from computer, choose files, and then this is where I put them. I did 8 of them for Banff. Okay, and then I can just choose these last 8 that I want. Click on open, and it downloads them 3 at a time. So while that's doing, it's pretty quick. Yeah, I'll just wait for it to do it. Okay, so there's 6 of them. It's got 2 more to go. Okay, and then I'll just do select, and here we have all the images. Okay, and then I can just name my blog post, publish it, and that's what we have here. Well, I don't, let me see if I did it yet. I don't think I did it yet. So let's see, do I have it here? I'm looking to see if I already did one, but I don't think I did. So I'll go ahead and do it. All right. So I'll just put in, um, this is Banff. How you spell Banff? Is that right? That doesn't look right. Banff. Let's see what uh, how do we spell Banff? Banff. All right. Okay. So Banff. Banff. Images using multiple catalogs. Okay, that's good enough. All right, and then I will publish. All right, then go to the blog site. Here we have Banff images using multiple catalogs. If I click on read more and then click on the image, then it makes this nice slideshow. So I think this is a really nice way of viewing the images that you've created. And then, it's a way that it's these, public. Anybody can see the images that you've done. You can see how quick and easy it is to do that. And I'll go down to see the ones on New Orleans that we did. Let's see how that turned out. So um, it still has problems with some of these uh, instruments, but it's getting better. But let's pick the first one here. And let's look at how it did here. Now, these look pretty good. At least a couple of them do. Let's see, this looks right. So does this one. Uh, Actually, they all look fine. So definitely getting better. When I say, I'm talking about the way it's presenting, the instruments, and I'll pick one of them. And I think I did 3 of them. So here's, excuse me. Here's the third one. This is this is really cool. What's cool about it is this is featuring Georgia O'Keeffe, and I would say, like in every previous instance that I can recall where it's done Georgia O'Keeffe type images, they all look like those flowers, or kind of, they're all the same. And this is the first time I've seen it presented in a different way. I don't know that I would look at these and think Georgia O'Keeffe, but they're certainly beautiful images, really pretty. So again, I'll pick one of them. So I've got 3 of them upscaled. I will go to the legacy site and I will refresh. And here we've got the new images. So I won't go through and do the same thing that I already showed you. I'll do this in a different way here, because this is also a cool way of doing it. If you're just wanting to look at it yourself and not interested in making it public, is you can just open in new tab, and let's see. So here they are right here. So this is one of them. I did 3 of them. That's 2. This is 3. And you can, if you want to share them, here's a way you can share them. I'm going to go to the Midjourney Discord server. And one of the rooms that there is called Best of Today. So you can post an image. Here we are, Best of Today. And grab the, can't remember if I grabbed the URL. Let's see, did I grab it? I think I did. So I can go like this. And there we go. So that's another way that you can share images. Um, this would be sharing with the Midjourney community. Okay, so those were the things I wanted to show, was how quickly you can put together a series, a blog post, or how you can use the script to make a collection. And there's all sorts of, I mean, any kind of theme you can think of would work pretty well. Like I saw, oh, I'll show what somebody else did. This was really cool. So this was one of the discussion rooms is ChatGPT prompt generation. And I put out some of the scripts that I've done here on this site. And somebody ran my script and created these images from the script that I was sharing in the blog. So that was pretty cool. There's a lot of nice resources in the Midjourney Discord server. To see them, you want to make sure you have show all channels checked, and then you can kind of go through and these last couple ones I showed you are in the community forums, but there's lots of things to explore. And if you're interested in ChatGPT scripts for Midjourney prompts, this is a great place to go. This ChatGPT prompt generation under the community forum. Make sure you've got that checkbox checked to show all. And also, you want to make sure you have this arrow set up so that it's showing all of the possibilities. This is under image jam, so you'd want to hunt through and find it. And then you could select it, and then once you have it selected, it'll show up for you. Okay, so I think that was everything that I wanted to share, and I hope you found that useful. And until next time, thanks for watching.